Hi, my name is Jafar and I'm working for Vyfe, a French company that has developed a video training and feedback tool to help you improve the performance and the soft skills of your students and learners during training sessions. It will also help your trainers to be more effective and efficient during feedback sessions. So, just to get things back into their context, um, Alexander, that is the CEO and founder of Vyfe, used to work for 5 years for a US company that makes video review and performance analysis tools for sports team at every level, but he used to work for the highest level of sports. So he used to sell this kind of software to football teams, soccer, and all kind of sports that you may know. After this experience, he wanted to transpose this idea of video review analysis to education and professional trainings in companies by simplifying as much as possible the tools and processes. Because, as you can see, these cameras and all these tools are very expensive and they are also very time consuming in terms of training. So after this great experience, he has created Vyfe, that is a French company that helps you improve the performance and the soft skills of your learners during training sessions. And it is mainly used during simulations and role games, for example. So as a trainer, you will first have to create your observation grid regarding the type and the theme of your training. So, for example, if you would like to train your learners about pitching, you can just create some criterias that are relevant to you to improve the performance of your learner about these kind of criterias. So you can put some criterias regarding this thing about communication, about the posture, and so on. So you just create your different criterias about this grid that you have created, and as a trainer, you can click on these different criterias to sequence these moments. As they did for sports, you can also do the same during training sessions. So here is an image taken from a live training session during face-to-face trainings. So basically, at the right, you can see a trainer using his tablets to shoot the video. So while he's recording, he can just click on the different tags to sequence the video. So during the feedback session, he can directly go back to the main actions to give his best feedback to his learner. Also, this tool will allow you to do collaborative training sessions to engage your learners during training sessions. So instead of having them being just passive or just answering to their Facebook messages or just drawing on papers and so on, they can also tag during this training session by joining the same training session with their smartphones. So here you can see that the learners, the others that are not doing the role play, they also have the observation grids and they can also tag. Here is another situation in class. So this is for a business school that we are working for in Toulouse. Um, so here you can see two students doing a face-to-face a simulation of recruitment session, and you can also see the other students here. Instead of being just passive, looking at and staring at these people, they can also doing the tagging with their smartphones. So during feedback, the trainer will only have to plug his tablets or his smartphones or his computer on the video projector to display the screen and give his best feedback to his learners. So there are two main things and two main advantages of this tool comparing to just like a camera to shoot. The first thing is that the feedback will be way more effective and efficient because instead of having to review the whole video, the whole sequence, you can just select the sequences where you have tagged to give your feedback. And the second thing, so you'll gain a lot of time. And the second thing is that you can compare the different analysis of your students that have tagged during the live session. So you can compare your analysis with their analysis, and you can also give them your feedback. So it is a collaborative and engaged feedback session. You can, so this was for the face-to-face trainings, but you can also use our platform to do either face-to-face trainings using your computer, or you can also do distant training sessions, either in live or asynchronous. So I will show you how it works. So you can either load some external videos. So for example, if you have tutorials or any video that you want to share with your learners, you can just load it here, and you can select any kind of observation grid that you have created to analyze it, or to ask your learners to analyze your video. Or you can also do face-to-face trainings using your computer. This is by using the camera, the webcam of my computer. So here you can share your code session. You can also choose any observation grid and start recording. Also, if you have video conferences with your colleagues or with your learners, you can also capture any Zoom or Microsoft Teams or Google Meet video conference, and so you can capture it to record it. You can choose an analysis grid, an observation grid, sorry, and you can tag your live session during your video conference. And at the end, you have something like this, where you have your video conference. Here you have your observation grids, and here you can see all your tags in this timeline. So here it is. Here is our platform. I hope it was clear for everyone. If you have any question, you can just write to me either on LinkedIn or by email at jafar@vyfe.fr. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.